Welcome to Vedavyasa Academy. Here, you all of you, previous videos, you all of you subscribe my channel, and for previous videos, you go to playlist and there topic wise questions are there. Topic wise questions, topic wise videos are there. So you have to search there and you follow that. Okay, all of you. Now we are going to discuss about compound angles. In compound angles, MSET level 1 problems, MSET JE level 1 problems here. Here, what is the problem here? 1 minus cot 200 degrees into 1 minus cot 25 degrees is equal to, these are the options given. So we know the 225 degrees is equal to 200 degrees plus 25 degrees. So cot 225 degrees is equal to what? Cot of 200 plus 25. So cot 225, cot of 270 minus 45 degrees is equal to cot B, cot A. So cot 200 into cot 25 minus 1 by cot 200 plus cot 25. So we have this is the complementary angle. So cot becomes tan 25 and this tan 45. So this is in the third quadrant. In third quadrant, cot is positive. So this is positive, and cot 200 into cot 25 minus 1 by, this is cot 200 plus cot 25. So this value is 1. Therefore, cot 200 plus cot 25, you take into this side, that is minus cot 200 into cot 25 is equal to minus 1. So minus cot minus, you can multiply both sides with the minus. So cot 200 in cot 25 minus cot 200 minus cot 25 is equal to 1. You have add 1 on both sides. So what we will get? 1 plus cot 200 cot 25 minus cot 200 minus cot 25 is equal to 2. So this can be written as 1 minus cot 200 into 1 minus cot 25 is equal to 2. So what we will have the answer? So option 3 is the answer. Okay, all of you. That's all. Dear viewers, we have the problem sin 20 degrees plus sin 40 degrees minus sin 80 degrees is equal to how much? So here we have given sin 20 degrees plus, this can be written as sin of 60 degrees minus 20 degrees minus, this can be written as sin of 60 degrees plus 20. This one you observe here, sin of a minus b minus sin of a plus b is equal to what? This is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b minus sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So here you observe that sin a cos b minus sin a cos b, these two are cancelled. We have sin 20 degrees, sin 20 degrees minus 2 into cos 60 degrees into sin 20 degrees. Okay, all of you. So sin 20 degrees minus 2 into cos 60 degrees value 1 by 2 into sin 20 degrees. So 2 cancel. This is sin 20 degrees minus sin 20 degrees. This one cancel, equal to 0. So this value will be 0. So we have the option 4 is the answer. Okay, all of you. That's all. Dear viewers, we have the problem cos A plus cos 120 degrees plus A plus cos 120 degrees minus A. So here cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So this is equal to what? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B plus this is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So this one cancel. We have 2 cos A cos B. This is the formula. Okay, all of you. So 2 cos A cos B. So first cos A plus this is 2 into cos 120 degrees into cos A. But cos 120 degrees is equal to what? Cos A plus this is cos of 180 degrees minus 60 degrees into cos A. So cos A plus 2 into this one is minus cos 60 degrees. Why? Because this is the second quadrant. In second quadrant cos is negative. So minus cos 60 degrees. This is the supplementary angle. Cos becomes cos. So this is cos A. Implies this is cos A minus 2 into 1 by 2 into cos 60 degrees value what? 1 by 2. So this is cos A. So 2 cancel. Then we have cos A minus cos A is equal to 0. So we have the option 3 is the answer. Okay, all of you. That's all. Dear viewers, we have the problem that is cos 20 degrees plus cos 100 degrees cos 140 degrees. So this can be written as cos 20 degrees plus cos 120 minus 20 plus cos 120 plus 20 degrees. So here cos of A minus B plus cos of A plus B is equal to 2 cos A cos B. This is the formula. Okay, all of you. So cos 20 degrees plus 2 into cos 120 degrees into cos 20 degrees. So cos 20 degrees plus 2 into this as cos 180 minus 20 into cos 20 degrees. So 180 minus 60 this one. Okay, all of you. So cos 20 degrees plus 2 into minus cos 60 degrees into cos 20 degrees. So cos 20 degrees plus 2 minus plus into minus minus 2 into this value is 1 by 2 cos 20 degrees. Then cos 20 degrees minus cos 20 degrees is 0. So we have the option 1 is the answer. Okay, all of you. Dear viewers, we have the problem sin 10 degrees plus sin 130 degrees minus sin 110 degrees. So sin 10 degrees plus this can be written as sin 120 plus 10 minus this can be written as sin 120 minus 10. Okay, all of you. You observe here these two, sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. Sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. Then what we will have? 2 into cos A sin B. 2 into cos A sin B. This is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B minus sin A cos B minus into minus plus cos A sin. So you will have 2 cos A sin B. So sin 10 degrees plus 2 into cos 120 degrees into sin 10 degrees. So cos 120 degrees value are sin 10 degrees plus this is plus 2 into minus cos 60 degrees into sin 10 degrees. So sine 10 degrees minus 2 into 1 by 2, this value, this is sine 10 degrees. This cancel. Sine 10 minus sine 10, 0. So we have the option 1 is the answer. Okay, all of you. That's all.